Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Velocity is given by a fraction, and we need to find the particle's behavior at time 1.5. Let's solve this calculus problem fast.
First, we plug 1.5 into our velocity function. Since the numerator becomes 1 minus 3.375, the velocity is negative. This means the particle moves left.
Next, we find the acceleration by taking the derivative of the velocity function using the quotient rule. Evaluating this at 1.5 shows the acceleration is also a negative value. Since velocity and acceleration are both negative, they work together. Speed is increasing, making option B the correct choice for our final answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush, trust given values, and check your steps.